Great! Now let's read the song to practice our pronunciation. Listen carefully. Geography, history, chalks and glue, we can't wait to get to school. Summer's over, autumn's here, time to start a new school year. School bags, lessons, fun and friends, back to school we are again. Let's begin, you are here at last. Welcome kids, back to class. Language, art and music too, there is so much to learn in school. Nice job, children. Dear students, it's time to do the task. Here you can see school things. Your task is to find them in the song and try to find 7 school subjects. You have some time to do this task. If you are ready, let's check. The school subjects are geography, history, science, maths, language, art, and music. Well done, children. Brilliant students. Let's listen to the song again and sing together. Dear students, it's time for comprehension check. Read the statements and decide if they are true or false. Let's get started. You should never read the instructions before you start doing an exercise. Is it true or false? Brilliant students, it's false. Number 2. Are different languages. Is it true or false? That's right, it is true. Number 3. This statement is true. Number 4. You mustn't leave your classroom clean and neat. True or false? Well done, it is false. Number 5. In geography lessons, we study about mountains, lakes, rivers, and oceans. Is it true or false? That's right, it is true. Brilliant students. Dear students, today we did a quiz and sang a song. I hope that you liked it. Have a nice day. Goodbye.